learners, how are you going? I hope you must be going very well. Today, students, we are going to learn about the chapter 7 of class 4, that is about clothes we wear. So students, as we all know that we wear different types of clothes according to different seasons and different climatic conditions. But the question arises is that why do we need clothes? Why do we wear it? So we wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain, dust, germs, and also from the insect bites. Okay, so now in this chapter, we are going to explore some basic objectives related to the clothes. First of all, we are going to learn that why do people wear clothes? Means in this, we are going to explore the need of wearing clothes. Second, we have types of fiber from which the different types of clothes are made. Third, we have clothes and climate. In this, we are going to learn the various types of clothes which are used and which are worn by us according to different climatic conditions. And then the last which we have is caring for clothes. It means that in this we are going to cover all those tips and measures which we all should follow for taking care of our clothes. Okay, so let's start the chapter. See students, first of all, they have given you that you have to match the fiber with the clothes. Here, these are the fibers and the clothes which are made from the fibers have been given to you. You have to match the fiber with the correct type of clothes of which it is made. Okay, so before doing this activity, first of all, learn about the fiber. Learn the uses of any particular fiber and then you can do it on your own also. Okay? See. So like the need of food and shelter, clothes is also important for us. Okay? As I told you, as we require food, shelter, because these are important for us. Similar way, we have clothes also which are very important to us. Why? As I told you, that clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, etc. Okay? And today we have different variety of clothes which are available to different people. Okay? See. So first topic which we have is why do people wear clothes? What is the need of wearing clothes? See. Clothes protect us. The common and the same point that it protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and also the harmful ultraviolet rays which are radiated from the sun. So all these factors can damage us, can harm us. So from getting protection against all these, we need clothes. Then, clothes provide a hygienic barrier. That means the clothes act as a hygienic barrier. Means what? They keep the infectious and the toxic materials away from our body. And also, it reduces the level of risk during any work and sport. Third, when we wear clothes, we look smart and feel confident. We feel comfortable by wearing clothes. Okay, so when we wear clothes, we look smart, we feel confident, and also when we go in any crowd, we feel comfortable by wearing clothes only. Next, clothes hide our body parts. Okay, so clothes help us to hide those body parts also, which should not be visible to anyone. Okay, then clothes also determine the nationality of the region from an individual belongs. Okay, what they're saying that the clothes also helps to determine the locality, the nationality or the region to which a particular person belongs to. Like they have given an example, the national dress of an Indian woman. Okay, what is it? That is sari. You can see this is an Indian woman in sari. And then a Japanese woman. The national dress of a Japanese woman is kimono. You can see this is the lady wearing kimono. So now if you see these women in sari or in kimono, then you can easily recognize that these ladies belongs to which nation by just observing their clothes. Okay? Then, people wear special clothes for specific work. The doctor and nurses wear white coats. A soldier wears a uniform which is made from tough material. The policemen and postmen have their own uniforms. Every school has its own uniform. So what they're saying, students, so other than these uses of clothes, there are some other uses also, like what? That some people wear special clothes. Okay, we have some special clothes for our specific work which we do. Like you can see, this is a doctor, and similar we have nurses also, which wear white coats to specify their occupation. Okay, then he is a soldier who wears a uniform which is made from very tough material, right? And this uniform specifies his occupation. Then we have policemen, postmen. Okay, like this, every particular occupation or every particular work has its own uniform. You also go to school, and every school has its own uniform also to specify the children belonging to which type of school. See, then we have Mahatma Gandhi made his own clothes on a small handmade machine called charkha, and he called the special clothes khadi. Then Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation, he has made his own cloth by using a small handmade machine. The name of that machine was charkha, and by using that charkha, he has made his own cloth, and the name of the cloth made by Mahatma Gandhi is khadi. Okay? Then, next we have types of fiber. So first of all, student, you must know what are fibers. So fibers are the basis for all textile, all the type of different textile or the clothes which we wear or which we made, they are made up of what? Fibers. Textile materials are made in 3 steps. So to make textile materials, we have 3 steps. Number 1, spinning. In spinning, what we do? We spun the fibers into yarns. Okay? Then second step is weaving or knitting. And under this, what we do? We make fabrics by using yarns. And the third step is finishing. What does it do? Finishing makes the fabrics look beautiful. Now, basically, we have 2 types of textile fibers. Number 1, we have natural fibers, and the other we have synthetic fibers. Okay? See, first of all, we have natural fibers. So, what are natural fibers? All those fibers which we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Okay? And the natural fibers usually consist of short fibers called staple fibers. Now they have distinguished some natural fibers from plants and some natural fibers from animals also. So first of all, we have natural fibers from plant. So in that we have cotton. Okay? Cotton is a natural fiber which we get from cotton plant. Okay? And then we use this cotton for making jeans, t-shirts and towel. Right? Second natural fiber which we get from plant is linen, which we get from flax plant. Okay? And this linen is used for making summer clothing, towels and tablecloths. Right? Then next we have some natural fibers which we get from animals. As I told you, all those fibers which we get from either plants or animals, they all are considered to be natural. So now we have some fibers from animals, like we have first of all wool. Wool is being provided to us by sheep, And this wool is used for making sweaters, suits, and blanket. Basically, all the winter clothing is made up of wool. Second, we have silk also. It is a fiber which is made from the silkworm. Okay, silkworm provides us silk. Silkworm is a type of insect. Okay, and this silk is used for making beautiful silk sarees. Right? Now, then we have properties of natural fibers. What are the properties of natural fiber? That they are very soft to handle and also they are durable. That means their life is long. See, silk is a natural fiber whose continuous filaments are up to 1 kilometers in length. Means what? They are they have very long fibers whose continuous filament are up to 1 kilometer also in length. And you can even see in these pictures, this is a cotton plant through which this cotton shirt has been made. This is a sheep, an animal through which we have get and fiber known as wool. And by using wool, we have made this woolen sweater. Right? Now, next we have synthetic fibers. So now the synthetic fibers are all those fibers which are made by the humans, by the man in the laboratories. Okay? So the fibers which are made by humans, usually they are made through chemical sources. Okay? What they have? They have very long filament fibers. Okay, in natural fibers, we have short filament fibers, but in synthetic fibers, we have long filament fibers. And they do not always have to spun into yarn. Now, some example they have given you that we have viscose. This is a fiber which we get from pine trees. Okay, but after that, it is chemically treated for making fabric. And then it is used for making shirt, dresses and linens. Next we have acrylic, nylon, polyester. All these are artificial or synthetic fibers which we obtain from oil and coal. And these are used for making socks, jackets, seat belts, etc. Then they have given you some properties of synthetic fibers, like they are easy, they need easy care. They can be recycled, they are durable, they dry very quickly, and they are also soft to handle. Next, we have fiber blends. See, blending different fibers together produces yarns that have the combined properties of each component fiber. What they're saying, when we blend the different fibers together, it produces yarn. And in that yarn, we have the combined properties of each component fiber which have been blended to make that yarn. Now, fiber blends improve the appearance. When we blend these fibers, the appearance, the performance, the comfort and aftercare of fabric gets improved by blending all the fibers to make a yarn. And also, it reduces the cost of an expensive fiber. Next, we have clothes and climate. So, students, as I told you in the starting only, that we wear different kinds of clothes according to different climates. Okay, like we wear light colored clothes made from cotton or linen in the summer season. Why? Because light colored clothes reflect sunlight. Okay, the cotton clothes helps in escaping the heat from our body, and then like this, they keep us cool during the summers. Then if we talk about winter season, so in winters we wear dark colored clothes, usually made of wool. Okay, now what does this dark colored clothes do? They absorb the heat and they keep us warm. Woolen clothes prevent the body heat from escaping out of the body. Then we have rainy season. In rainy season, we wear waterproof clothes over our normal clothes. First of all, we wear our normal clothes, and over that, we wear waterproof clothes also, so that we can escape from getting wet. We have raincoats, umbrellas, gumboots. All these are made up of waterproof material only, and we use them during the rainy season. So they do not allow water to pass through them and prevents from getting wet. Why they are made up of waterproof material? Because waterproof material will not allow the water to pass through them, and thus it will help to us to prevent from getting wet. See, an amazing fact has been given that nylon, what is it? It is the first synthetic fiber which was developed in 1935. Okay, see, the fibers of nylon are stronger and much more elastic than the natural fibers such as silk. Okay, now next we have caring for clothes. So we should take good care of our clothes. Okay, we should always take good care of our clothes, because if we take care of our clothes, it will make them look fresh and also germs free. So now there are some ways by which our clothes can look clean and much more better if we follow them. First of all, wash your clothes properly with mild soap or detergent and water. You should always wash your clothes properly by using mild soap, detergent, or even water. Then you should always wash woolen and silk clothes. All the woolen and silk clothes must be washed with a detergent like Easy. Okay? Then dry wash clothes in the sun to kill germs. After washing them, you should dry them in the sun so that the germs could be killed. Next, after drying, when the clothes are dried, you should iron them properly, because the iron clothes look more good. Then mend your torn clothes. If any of your clothes has been torn, you should mend it on time. From time to time, keep woolen and silk clothes in the sun for some time. Okay, so from time to time, you should keep all those your woolen and silk clothes in the sunshine for some time, because there are some insects like moths and silverfish. They attack the woolen clothes. Okay, so for avoiding them, you can keep mothballs or the dried neem leaves also with these woolen clothes before they are packed to keep the insects away. Okay, you can see these are the mothballs which are commonly used to keep these insects away from the clothes. These are dried neem leaves. Okay, so that's all for the chapter. I hope you all must have understood the different clothing styles, the different types of fibers, and also the very important that how can we keep care of our clothes. And I hope you all are going to keep care of your clothes. You all are going to wear fresh and tidy clothes, iron clothes, because these types of clothes make us look good, smart, and comfortable. Okay, so now you are going to meet in our new session with some new exciting topic of science. Till then, keep going well, and thanks to everyone.